to the ball game, fourth quarter. Last and final quarter, basketball girls. Borongan City versus Kinapundan. For the Fiesta of Barangay Santo Niño, Kinapundan Eastern Samar. Fiesta 2026. Bonus free throw. Wala.
Number 17.
Number 17 of
Super number 0.
Kinapundan.
PPCFG.
Tumira ng tres. Wala. Rebound ng Borongan. To number 0.
Number 0. Fast break.
Sayang. Natakbo. Outside Borongan. Number 17 to number 10. Tumira, wala. Baseball pass to number 13.
Nakalusot. Wala pa rin. Rebound number 24.
To number 5. 10.
Number 10.
Nice pass.
Number 13. 5.
Last touch Borongan. Substitution. Number 4 in. Number 0 out. Borongan. Number 17 of Kinapundan. Looking for an open man. Pumasok. Pass to number 15. Nag-fake.
Number 15.
Traveling. Substitution. Palibat ang
Number
pasan.
13. Number 24.
Number 24. Pumihit. Wala. Sayang.
On a rebound.
Nice.
Number 04.
Number 13 of Kinapundan. Hinaharas ni number 4.
Number 13. What's number 7? Walking ng Magaw. Hey, SSG. 5.
Step
Number
back.
17.
Bang! Wala.
Exactly 6 weeks.
Number 13. Back to number 4. To number 13 ulit.
Number 13.
Get inside. Yes.
Official running score 34-46 Borongan.
34-46.
5 minutos 35 segundos. 50 seconds to shoot.
May foul.
There's a foul.
Number 4. Number 17. May foul na naman. Number 4.
Number 17. Number 31. Oh, mga tagres. Wala pa rin.
Number 4. Titira ng 3.
Oh, mga tagres. Wala pa rin. Offensive rebound number 24. Number 24 ulit. Wala. Rebound number 12. James and shoot. Number 13. Number 17.
May
There's a
foul.
foul.
Number 12.
Number 5, jersey number 12, Borongan. Happy viewing na yan natin sa pulisan. Dahil mga salamat sir ang inyong pagtambong.
3 points.
3 points! Jersey number 21.
The long hair.
4 minutos, last quarter. 50 seconds to shoot. Number 04, fadeaway jumper, negir. Rebound by Alcario. Konti ng malaw.
City. 3 points. Bang! Wala. 3 points again. Nice pass. Step back. score 37-46. 4 minutes and 4 seconds last quarter. Bola ng Kinapundan. Intertown Girls. Kinapundan versus Borongan. For the pista Barangay Santo Niño, Kinapundan Eastern Samar. Naagaw. Number 13 na Borongan.
Number 4 to number 12.
Bal. Nice block by Terencio. Substitution. The big girl. Pumasok na.
Di na yung pares. Sinakog na.
27. Ang Borongan.
Pass to number 13. Pinalik kay number 4. To number 13 on left.
Yes.
Basket na naman.
Nice passing. Passing is the key.
Number 7. Pass to number 12. Pindira. Walang tinamaan.
Number 4 ang
Number
Borongan.
4. Chip by number 15. Pass to number 12. Number 12.
Running shot.
Oh, mapakay na rin.
Sa kanya pa rin rebound. Follow up. Foul ng Borongan. Number 4. Sa kanya pa rin.
Number 21. Pass to number 17. Number 17 to number 15. Number 15. Aray ko po.
Aray ko. Samberga.
Number 4. Check by number 15. 15 seconds to shoot. Quinta Pagawano.
May
Third
ball.
foul. Foul pa rin.
Ang kontra ito.
Number 4.
To number 27. The big girl. Wala.
Number 04. Number 12. 5 to shoot.
3 points.
Wala pa rin.
Last
Let's
Borongan.
Borongan. 2 minutos 28. Remaining time na to last quarter.
Number 17 of Kinapundan. Looking for an open teammates.
Number 17.
Crossover. May foul. Number 4 na naman.
Warning for penalty. Borongan. Seconds shoot. Number 14, Megera. Rebound number 17. Number 17 na umatake, wala pa rin.
Foul. Number 15.
First number 15. 2 personal foul, 2 fouls, Kinapundan.
Kinapundan.
13 seconds.
Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes is brought to you by Kuya ITV. Yes, number 27. Iba ng matangkad.
1 minute and 42 seconds remaining time. 1 minute and 35.
3 points.
Mga pantres, Legir.
Wala ng Borongan.
Substitution.
Substitution.
Borong. 1 minute and 20. Naagaw. Number 15. Waray ko pa kay Kutring. Number 22.
3 points.
Bobo ko na 3. Wala pa rin.
Double dribble.
There's a double dribble. Third over the ball. Number 31.
May foul. Borongan.
Balog against LNU Tacloban. 50 segundos. 10 seconds to shoot. 5.
May foul.
First foul. Borongan is under penalty situation.
Lucky bounce.
Unang tira, pasok.
Pangalawang tira. Wala. Sa kanyang rebound.
Number 14.
Last touch. Borongan. Number 17.
10 to shoot.
Double dribble.
Another 10.
Last Last 34 seconds, last quarter. Nakapot.
Number 17, Novario.
Foul.
Jersey foul. Jersey number 3.
Wala pa rin.
Walang pera. Ligil.
Pangalawang tira. Basket. Score 39-50 in favor of Borongan. Last 28 seconds. Last quarter. Number 17.
20. 2 segundos. Shot lang ito. Mas 9. 15. 10.
Wala. Plus
5.
5. Basket pa rin. Wala na. Wala. Time. That's the end of the ball game.
Time. Natin final score. 52-39. Winner this game for Borongan. Okay.